May the 8th, 2014. We've had a strong flare from the area that we've been watching come around, and we know Mercury's coming around on that side and linears over the Earth as these sunspots turn towards us. Now, that activity could very well pick up as this becomes Earth-facing, just as it has this morning. This was, I think, an M5.4, but we had a coronal mass ejection at the same time. You notice that. I'll show you now. Look at the tall prominence that's rising, and that's what I was talking about on the radio station the other night, is that we're seeing a lot of that. Now, this is your coronal mass ejection. Again, almost in the same frame as the solar flare. Now, this is what it looks like on the surface. Now, I'll show you the sunspot summary also, but the large one is still a single configuration, but the one below it has went to beta gamma. Now, they have not classified the large one on the bottom that we're watching, but they did go ahead and give it the numbers, and I'll show you that on the sunspot summary. But again, that's a lot of energy that's turning Earth facing. This is the flare as it was picked up this morning. This is the EPAM protons as it picked up that burst. Again, that type of energy affects the Earth. Now, this is stereo behind. It's to the left of the Earth in the orbit. It's on the left side of the sun. This is your coronal mass ejection this morning. You can't really see that on the SDO because it's closer, but this tells you the amount of energy. And on this satellite, Earth is to the left. And you can see here they have given the large sunspot to the bottom. 2058 is a number, but 2056 has went beta gamma. Notice the area there, 380, 310, gives you an idea of the size. Now, this is the moment that the flare came out, and you notice that the chart at the top is the GOES 15 satellite. This is as it picked it up. Check that out. It will take a couple of days for this energy to reach Earth, other than an initial pulse that you saw on the A satellite. But we will see an uptick in quakes. Also, I think, as this turns towards Earth and linear more, we're going to see all of these sunspots start to enlarge, become more active. We're going to have to watch for X flares. Heads up, be safe.